Jekyll.
Guys, if you're not a DPS, stay away from the fucking jacket, please. Yo, what's the percent of the gate? Give me fake on the gate, castles. Give me fake on the gate. Fake on the gate now. Fake on the gate now. Come back. Careful. Yo, shallow the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Shallow the gate. Kill this guy.
Pababa sa akin.
Dep on the southwest. Dep on the southwest. Dep on the southwest, please. Kunus pass. Hag the wall. Yo, brim meeting. Careful. Use on castles. Come back. Careful. Hold.
73%.
Yo.
May na DC
Fake.
41.
Fake northeast now. If you have castles, try to pull.
Jag is up again.
Chill, come back. After the cleric, east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now east. Hit that guy. Nice.
Inching.
Come up northwest. Careful on the gates.
Wala, bumalik.
Pakalins na Jag. Nag-i-stack to eh. Hold.
Horch is up.
Hold. Ready to headbutt Yo, on the mark. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the now. Hit the mark. Almost. Come back northwest. Def on the front now.
Stop yung BS to stop.
Nice. Golden pass. Guys, if you're not a DPS, please, huwag kayo kumain ng jacket. Yo, wait on the mark again. Okay, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Nice.
Help castles. Nice headbutt. Golden pass.
Yo, mga bombs ka nasa northeast na ha.
Please, guys.
Northeast.
They're moving back.
Yo, click. Come southeast, yo. Can someone catch them? Yo, I need a GA southeast.
Careful, they have invest hero na.
Yeah, careful. Careful, yo. Come north. Then NW. Wait, come southeast.
Moving pa rin.
Come southeast, GA ako.
Moving southeast mo, Zara.
You ready? Deep east, ready. Papa ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east now. On this fucking guy. Yo, come north. Pull that now. Poppy pass now. Pats. Poppy boots northwest. Pats now. So quick. I need help up front. Hello? Yeah, I need help up front. Hello. At 10 fap.
5 seconds. Ready.
Yo. Look east. Northeast of the choke. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast of the choke now. Hit northeast of the choke. Come back to the asset. Yeah. Stop nyo. Kung kita nyo, stop nyo. Come inside. Golden pass. 10 fap Careful up front. Def on the front.
Ready.
Yo, shallow the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Shallow the gate. Hilson Gyutaro. Pass. Sana lang yun, no?
1 HP na yun.
Buhay.
3 seconds.
BS nila northeast side. Pulling back southeast ulit, Zara.
Okay. Click.
Mounting ako.
Click. Watch lang ng bomb.
Mounting up, Zara. Mounting up.
Catch.
Actually, 4 southeast Yung bomb squad nila nag-mount.
You ready? Look at the mark. Southeast deep. Ready? 5, 4, 3,
Looking back, Zara. Holding sila.
Cancel.
Holding sila.
Walk north. Hold.
Sige na, hold.
Up pa kaya. Ready? Yo, def now. You ready? After this, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, everything southeast now. Wipe this. Come northwest. Walk northwest. NW. Walk.
They're looking.
Hold. Face southeast. Hold. Yeah, face southeast. Yo, wait. Look, deep northeast. Ready? 5. Deep northeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. On this bomb squad.
The GA ko yung south.
Yo, backlines. Help the front. Come northwest. NW. Walk northwest.
Going southeast ulit.
Walk northwest. Okay, hold. Ready. Walk southeast. Wala kayong may hit bombs ka Walk south. Give me GA if you can.
Layo.
Pinapapull tayo Pulling lang tayo nito, Zora.
Come northwest. Poppy boots northwest.
Walking lang sila.
Poppy boots northwest. The pulling is out too far from the castle. Okay, come northwest.
Pakitali.
Sorry.
Doggy.
Okay, stay uphill. Everyone stay uphill.
Sige. Hold ka lang.
Everyone stay uphill.
Mount sila southeast.
Okay, everyone stay uphill.
Ako yung ping, Zora.
Copy.
Blue ping ako. Going northeast gate na sila.
Fatima, only 2 healers.
Mounted up, going northeast gate.
The fuck? Northeast gate?
Nabuwasan ba DA nila?
Nabawasan sila.
DA ano sila? DA
30.
ano eh.
30 pa rin.
Going northeast sila, zoning na.
Yo, mount up.
Dismounted sila northeast gate lang. Chill lang.
Everyone mount up, then come inside. Mount up, then come inside. Then
May mga dismounted hatcho. Careful.
Yo, wag niyo nalapitan yan, baka magkas ng ano yan, scouts.
Reset na ako ng BM.
Possible regrouping sa Luzon.